Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for moody black and white. Open your photo to convert it to a moody black and white HDR artwork. Convert the image into a smart object first, then apply HDR toning to add depth to shadows and highlights. Lower saturation completely to turn the image monochrome. Increase strength for dramatic tones and also adjust details to highlight textures. Lower exposure for moody atmosphere, boost shadows where needed, and also reduce highlights for balance. Adjust comma to achieve the perfect tonal mood. Mask areas that feel overlay sharp.